Community groups are really important when it comes to building your own community. We know this just by looking at our Facebook groups. Having a community group inside your software allows you to put things in there like courses, affiliate, or referral programs, and have them actually contribute into the community and have access to things that they wouldn't already have access to in, let's say, for example, the Facebook group. I'm going to go ahead and go back into memberships. I'm going to select community. And what we're going to do first is we're going to create a group. So let's get started creating a group. Earlier in my training, we created a portal for our hair salon. We also created a course for our hair salon along with a certificate. And now I want to create a group. I'd like to create a group for everyone that joined up in the course for my hair salon. We could also create groups that are paid or free. In this particular group, I'm going to call this the Hair Club. We can write a brief description. I'll just put Hair Club. And then down here is where we can brand the color of our group. Now we went with purples and lighter color purples. So I'm going to stick with that. I'll go ahead and change the favicon right here. I'm going to do a cover image, which you see it says 200 by 200. And for the logo, we'll leave the logo as the hair logo. I'm going to go ahead and click create a group. And now I have a hair club group. Notice this matches my course from earlier. If you watch the membership course, it also has our logo. And we went with the color tones to match the actual course.